Hello everyone. In this video we are going to discuss exercise 1 of A of the first chapter functions from Mathematics 1A of Telugu Academy. If you didn't watch the previous videos, the link is in the description. Please watch it. Okay, the first question is given as, if the function f is defined by f of x is equals to x plus 2 if x is greater than 1, 2 if minus 1 less than or equals to 1 less than or equals to 1, x minus 1 minus 3 less than x less than minus 1. Then he asked us to find the values of some numbers. Let us check one by one. The first one he asked is find the value of f of 3. Now this number 3 lies in the which statement? X greater than 1. 3 is greater than 1, so we need to go with the first statement, that is x plus 2. In the place of x we need to substitute 3. 3 plus 2 which is equals to 5. Next, second question we have, that is f of 0. According to the given statements, this 0 lies in which statement? In the second statement, that is minus 1 less than or equals to x less than or equals to 0. Sorry, 1. 0 lies in between minus 1 and plus 1. So this we need to take. It is constant only, so write it as it is. F of 0 value is 2. Next, let us move to third question. Third question he gave as f of minus 1.5. f of minus 1.5. Here we don't have any particular statement which is related to this minus 1.5. So this is not defined. Next, question number 4. What is the value of f of 2 plus f of minus 2? In these two statements together he gave. First let us check for f of 2. 2 means that is x greater than 1. So x plus 2 statement we need to take. X plus 2 plus f of minus 2. Minus 2 where it will lies? Minus 2 lies in this third one. Minus 3 less than x less than minus 1. So we need to take x minus 1. X minus 1. Now in the place of x we need to substitute 2. Here in this place of x we need to substitute minus 2. So let us check. 2 plus 2 plus x value is minus 2 minus 1. Here plus 2 minus 2 both will get cancelled, so we remains with 2 minus 1, that is nothing but 1. Next, fifth question in this first bit, that is the value of f of minus 5. Let us check where this minus 5 lies in the given statements. Minus 5. In the first statement minus 5 won't come, in the second statement also minus 5 won't come, in the third statement also minus 5 won't come. So this value is not defined. Next, let us move to the second bit. In the second bit, if f is a function from r minus 0 to r, and that function is defined as f of x is equals to x cube minus 1 by x cube, then show that f of x plus f of 1 by x is equals to 0. F function r minus 0 to r, and that function is defined as x cube minus 1 by x cube. Then he is asking to show that f of x plus 1 by f of x, f of x plus f of 1 by x is equals to 0. So this is the given function. First of all, first I am going to check f of x. F of x is nothing but the function what they give as it is, that is x cube minus 1 by x cube. x cube minus 1 by x cube. Now second function we have f of 1 by x. So in the given original function, wherever we have x, there we need to substitute 1 by x. Here x is there, in the place of x 1 by x. Here again x is there, in the place of that x also we need to substitute 1 by x. Let us check now. Plus x cube is nothing but 1 by x cube minus 1 by, here x is there, so in that place of x 1 by x cube. 1 by x cube. X cube as it is minus 1 by x cube as it is plus 1 by x cube as it is minus 1 by x cube, that is nothing but x cube. Check for any simplification. Plus x cube minus x cube cancel, minus 1 by x cube plus 1 by x cube will get cancelled, so the answer is 0, hence proved. Next, let us move to the question number 3. F is a function from R to R, and that function is defined as f of x is equals to 1 minus x square divided by 1 plus x square, and he is asking to show that f of tan theta equals to cos 2 theta. Sorry. F is a function from R to R. F of x is defined as 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square, and is asking us to show that f of tan theta is equals to cos 2 theta. So in the given function, wherever we have x, in that place we need to substitute tan theta. That is 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta. Tan theta is nothing but sin theta by cos theta. So 1 minus, in the place of tan square we can write sin square theta by cos square theta whole divided by 1 plus tan square theta is nothing but sin square theta by cos square theta, which is equals to cos square theta into 1 cos square theta minus sin square theta whole divided by cos square theta whole divided by cos square theta into 1 cos square theta plus sin square theta divided by cos square theta. Here cos square theta both will get cancelled. Then we remains with cos square theta minus sin square theta divided by cos square theta plus sin square theta. If we observe the denominator clearly, cos square theta plus sin square theta is a identity of trigonometry, so that value is 1. So we remains with cos square theta minus sin square theta. Cos square theta minus sin square theta is nothing but the value of cos 2 theta. Hence proved. Okay, let us move to the bit number 4. Question number 4. If f is a function from R minus plus or minus 1 to R, and that function is defined as f of x is equals to log modulus 1 plus x divided by 1 minus x. Then he is asking to show that f of 2x by 1 plus x square is equals to 2 times f of x. So in the given function, wherever we have x, in that place we need to substitute this total, that is 2x by 1 plus x square. Let us check it out now. Log modulus, we have 1 plus x, 1 plus, in the place of x 2x by 1 plus x square divided by, we have 1 minus x in the denominator, 1 minus, x is nothing but 2x by 1 plus x square. Log as it is 1 plus x square into 1 plus x square plus 2x divided by 1 plus x square whole divided by 1 plus x square into 1 plus x square minus 2x divided by 1 plus x square. Here 1 plus x square both will get cancelled. Then we remains with a log modulus 1 plus x square plus 2x divided by 1 plus x square minus 2x. Now if we observe the numerator as well as denominator clearly, we will get some identity or formula. 1 plus x square plus 2x, that is a square plus b square plus 2ab formula. 1 plus x square minus 2x, that is a minus b whole square, that is a square plus b square minus 2ab formula. So if we simplify that, we get it as log modulus. Numerator is 1 plus x whole square formula by denominator is 1 minus x whole square formula. Log as usual. For the numerator square is there, for the denominator also square is there. So I will make it to simplify as 1 plus x by 1 minus x whole square. Now in the logarithms, the power will come to the front number. So we remains with 2 times log modulus 1 plus x divided by 1 minus x, which is equals to 2 into log modulus 1 plus x divided by 1 minus x is nothing but f of x, that is given in the question itself. So log of modulus 1 plus x by 1 minus x value is f of x, that is given in the question. So 2 as it is, so 2 times f of x, hence proved. Now let us move to the question number 5 in this. Question number 5. Set A is given as -2, -1, 0, 1, 2. And function f is from A to B. Is a surjection. Surjection is nothing but onto function. And the function is defined as f of x is equals to x square plus x plus 1. Then he is asking to find the b. In this question, he clearly mentioned that that function is a surjection. Surjection is nothing but onto function, nothing but for the function codomain as well as range both will be equal. That type of function is called as a surjection. Okay, let us check it out now. F of x value he gave it as x square plus x plus 1. From the given set A, whatever the elements are there, one by one I will substitute. Set A he gave it as -2, -1, 0, 1, 2. One by one I will substitute in the place of x. F of, first I am going to substitute -2. F of -2 equals to -2 whole square plus -2 plus 1. -2 whole square plus 4 plus into -2 plus 1. 4 minus 2, 2 plus 1, that is nothing but 3. Next, I am going to substitute -1. F of -1 is equals to -1 whole square plus of -1 plus 1. -1 whole square is plus 1 plus into -1 plus 1 plus 1 minus 1 cancel, so we remains with 1. Next I am going to substitute 0. F of 0 is equals to 0 square plus of 0 plus 1. 0 doesn't have any value, so we will get the answer as 1. Next I am going to substitute 1. F of 1 is equals to 1 square plus 1 plus 1. 1 square is 1 plus 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is nothing but 3. Next I am going to substitute 2. F of 2 equals to 2 square plus 2 plus 1. 2 square is 4 plus 2 plus 1. 4 plus 2 6. 6 plus 1 7. Now whatever the values we got, that is after substituting some numbers in the place of x, those are called as range. Let us write the range now. 3 1 1 3 1. Third also 1 only again, so that no need to write again because already one time we wrote, enough. Next 3 and 7. 3 already we wrote, so the remaining will become 7. So if I write it in order, 1 comma 3 comma 7, the range is 1 comma 3 comma 7. In the question he clearly mentioned that this function is a surjection. So surjection is nothing but codomain and range both are equal to each other. So range is 137 means codomain also 1 comma 3 comma 7 only. Codomain is nothing but set B. So set B is equals to 1 comma 3 comma 7. Next, let us move to the bit number 6. 6. Set A is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4. Set A is 1, 2, 3, 4. And f is a function from A to R, and the function is defined as f of x is equals to x square minus x plus 1 divided by x plus 1. Then he is asking to find the range. So simply wherever we have x, we need to substitute one by one element from the set A. Okay, let us check. Set A we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So I am going to substitute one by one element. First I will substitute 1. F of 1 is equals to 1 square minus 1 plus 1 divided by 1 plus 1. Here minus 1 plus 1 will cancel. 1 square is 1 divided by 1 plus 1, 2. So f of 1 value is 1 by 2. Next I am going to substitute 2. F of 2 equals to 2 square minus 2 plus 1 divided by 2 plus 1, which is equals to 2 square is 4 minus 2 plus 1 divided by 2 plus 1 is 3. 4 minus 2, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 by 3. 3 by 3 is nothing but 1. So the value of f of 2 is 1. Next I will substitute f of 3. 3. F of 3 is equals to 3 square minus 3 plus 1 divided by 3 plus 1. 3 square 9 minus 3 plus 1 divided by 3 plus 1 4. 9 minus 3 6. 6 plus 1 7. 7 by 4. Next last one, that is 4. Substituting 4 in the place of x. F of 4 is equals to 4 square minus 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1. 4 square 16 minus 4 plus 1 divided by 4 plus 1 5. 16 minus 4 12. 12 plus 1 13. 13 by 5. Now after substituting some number in the place of x, whatever the results we got, those are nothing but range of the function. So range is equals to 13 by 5 comma 7 by 4 comma 1 comma 1 by 2. Whatever the answers we got, I wrote all those in one order. That is nothing but range. Next, let us move to the 7th one. If f of x plus y is equals to f of xy, for every x comma y belongs to real numbers, then prove that f is a constant function. Let x be any real number and y is equals to 0. Let us assume that x is some real number and y equals to 0. So let us substitute now. F of x as it is plus y we took as 0 is equals to f into x as it is, y is 0. So f of x plus 0 is nothing but x, which is equals to f of x into 0, 0, that is f of 0. So f of x is equals to f of 0. When this condition is possible, it is possible if and only if it is a constant function. So hence it is a constant function. You observe this clearly. F of x is equals to f of 0 is satisfied only if the given function is a constant function. Okay, now with this question we completed the first bit of exercise 1 of A. Now let us move to the second bit. Before going to the second bit, if you like my explanation, please subscribe. In the second bit, first question. Set A is equals to x such that -1 less than or equals to x less than or equals to 1. And they gave the functions as one function f of x is equals to x square and second function g of x is equals to x cube. Then he is asking that which of the following are surjections. The first question he gave in this as f is a function from A to A. He is asking that we need to check whether it is a surjection or not. Surjection is nothing but onto function, that is nothing but codomain is exactly equal to the range. Okay, let us check it out now. Set A he gave as x such that -1 less than or equals to x less than or equals to 1. So it means -1 and +1 are included. So -1 in the middle 0 and then +1. Set A is equals to -1, 0 and +1. F of x he gave it as x square. So this -1, 0 and +1, 1 by 1 element I will substitute in the place of x. First is f of -1. -1 whole square is +1. Then f of 0, that is 0 square. 0 square is nothing but 0. F of 1, 1 square. 1 square is nothing but 1. Now this 1, 0 and 1 are nothing but range. So range is equals to 1 is there 2 times, so we need to write only once, 0 comma 1. If the codomain and range both are equal to each other, then only that function is called as a surjection. Let us check the codomain now. He clearly mentioned f is a function from A to A. So this is the codomain, that is A. Set A he gave it as -1 comma 0 comma 1. In the codomain we will be having -1 element extra. So now easily we can say that codomain and range both are not at all equal to each other. So this is not surjection, otherwise not onto function. Then in this only second one more function he gave. Check whether g is a function from A to A, whether it is a surjection or not. And that function g of x is defined as x cube. We know very well set A having -1 comma 0 comma 1. Let us substitute one by one now. G of -1 is equals to -1 whole cube. -1 whole cube is nothing but -1. Then g of 0, 0 cube. 0 cube is nothing but 0. Then g of 1, that is nothing but 1 cube, which is 1. Here the range is -1, 0 and +1. So the range is equals to -1 comma +1 comma 0. And what about the codomain? Here he clearly mentioned g is a function from A to A, so A is the codomain. Then codomain is equals to minus 1 comma 0 comma 1. Here range as well as codomain both are equal to each other, then this function g is onto function, otherwise surjection. Okay, now let us move to the second bit. In the second bit again 6 questions are there. Let us discuss one by one question. F is a function from R to R. F is a function from R to R, and that function is defined by f of x is equals to 2x plus 1 divided by 3, and is asking check whether the following are injection or surjection or bijection. First I am going to check whether it is a injection, that is one function, or not. Let us take f of x1 is equals to f of x2. So simply in the function in the place of x we need to substitute x1. The same function in the place of x we need to substitute x2. 2x1 plus 1 by 3 is equals to 2x2 plus 1 by 3. Both the sides in the denominator 3 will get cancelled. Then we remains with 2x1 plus 1 is equals to 2x2 plus 1. Left side plus 1, right side plus 1, both will get cancelled. So we remains with 2x1 is equals to 2x2. 2 both will get cancelled. Then finally we remains with x1 is equals to x2. If we got the final answer as x1 is equals to x2, then we can conclude that this as a 1 function. Next, let us check whether the given function is onto or not, that is surjection or not. The given function f of x is equals to 2x plus 1 by 3. So that f of x I am replacing with y. Y is equals to 2x plus 3. Now we need to make an equation for x. So for that take 3 to the left side. Then we will get 3y is equals to 2x plus 1. Take plus 1 also to the left side. Then we will get 3y minus 1 is equals to 2x. Now we want x value. So take 2 to the left side. So x is equals to 3y minus 1 divided by 2. This x value we need to substitute in the place of x in the given original function. So the function they gave as 2x plus 1 by 3. The function given is 2x plus 1 divided by 3. 2 as it is into, in the place of x we need to substitute 3y minus 1 by 2. 3y minus 1 by 2. This plus 1 as it is whole divided by 3 again. Here 2 will get cancelled. So we remains with 3y minus 1 plus 1 divided by 3. Minus 1 plus 1 cancel. Then we get 3y by 3. 3 also cancel. Then we remains with y. If the answer we got as y, then this is a surjection. Nothing but onto function. So this is a injection as well as surjection. So if it is satisfying both the function, then this is also bijection. Next, let us check the second one. F is a function from R to 0 comma infinity, and the function is defined as f of x is equals to 2 power x. So first I am going to check whether it is injection or not. So for that f of x1 is equals to f of x2. 2 power x1 equals to 2 power x2. Both the bases are equal to each other. So obviously the powers also equal to each other. x1 is equals to x2. Here we got x1 is equals to x2. Then we can conclude that this is 1 function. Otherwise injection. Next, let us check whether it is a surjection or not. The given function is 2 power x. 2 power x make it equal to y. So y is equals to 2 power x. Then y equals to 2 power x, which is exponential form. If we convert that to logarithmic form, log y base 2 is equals to x. So this x value we need to substitute in the given original question, that is 2 power x. 2 power x. 2 power x is nothing but log y base 2. 2 power log y base 2, the value is y. So in this case also we got the answer y. So then we can conclude this is onto function. This is 1 function as well as onto function. So this is bijection. Next, look at the third question in this. F is a function from 0 to infinity to r. F is a function from 0 comma infinity to r, and the function is defined as f of x is equals to log x base e. First let us discuss whether it is 1 or not. So for that, f of x1 is equals to f of x2 log x1 base e equals to log x2 base e. Now if we observe this LHS as well as RHS, this is logarithm with base e and this is also logarithm with base e only. So both the main numbers will be equal to each other, that is x1 is equals to x2. If x1 is equals to x2, then this is 1 function. Next, let us check the same given one is a surjection or not. The given question, that is log x base e, take it as y. Y is equals to log x base e. Now this is in logarithmic form. Let us convert it to exponential form. E power y is equals to x. Now this x value we need to substitute in the original question, that is log x base e. Log as it is, x is nothing but e power y base e as usual. In the logarithm, power is there means that power will go to the front as it is. So it will become y times log e base e. Log e base e value is 1. So the final answer is y. If we got the final answer as y, then this is onto function. In the previous step we got it as 1 function and now it is onto function. If the function is 1 as well as onto, then it is a bijection. Next, let us move to the fourth question in this bit only again. F is a function from 0 to infinity where 0 is included, to again 0 to infinity 0 is included, and the function is defined as f of x is equals to x square. Okay, let us check again same. First I am going to check whether it is injection, that is 1 function or not. F of x1 is equals to f of x2. x1 square is equals to x2 square. Both the powers are equal, then obviously the bases are also equal to each other, that is x1 is equals to x2. If x1 is equals to x2, then obviously this is 1 function. So whenever you have x square, that is power even number, you need to check the domain and codomain clearly and perfectly. Here if we observe, the domain is 0 to infinity, it means only positive and 0. Range is also 0 to infinity, so that is positive and 0. So no negative numbers. That's why this function is 1 function. Next, let us check whether it is a surjection or not. The given function, that is x square, make it equals to y. Y equals to x square, then x is equals to plus or minus root y. This x value we need to substitute in the original question, that is x square. X square is there, in the place of x, plus or minus root y whole square. For plus also if we do squaring we will get plus only. For minus also if we do squaring we will get plus only. Square root and square will get cancelled, so remaining is y. If the final answer we got as y, then this is a onto function. This is 1 function as well as onto function, so this is bijection. Let us check the question number 5 in this. F is a function from r to 0 comma infinity, r to 0 comma infinity, where 0 is included, and the function is defined as f of x is equals to x square. Now if you observe the previous question and in this question, in the previous question this domain is different. Okay, now in this he clearly mentioned that domain is a real number. It means any real number, it may be positive or negative or 0, we can take. Let us take some numbers now in the place of x. F of 1 is equals to 1 square, that is nothing but 1. F of minus 1 is equals to minus 1 square, which is nothing but plus 1. F of 1 also plus 1 only, f of minus 1 also plus 1 only. For the two elements, that is 1 and minus 1, we will be having same image plus 1. So this is not 1 function. Then let us check whether it is a surjection or not. Given function, take it as y equals to x square. Y equals to x square. Then x value will be plus or minus under root y. Now this x value we need to substitute in the given question, that is x square. X is nothing but plus or minus under root y whole square. So square root square will get cancelled, then final will be y. We got the answer y, then it is onto. It is only onto, because in the previous step we got to know that it is not a 1 function. Now it is only onto. If it is only onto, then it is not a bijection also. It is not a bijection. Next, B, question number 6 in this same bit again. F is a function from r to r, and the function is defined as f of x is equals to x square. In this bit, question number 4, question number 5 as well as question number 6 all are same function, that is f of x is equals to x square only. The only difference is codomain as well as domains. Now in this case also, the domain is total real numbers, codomain is also total real numbers. Now let us check once. F of x is equals to x square is there, so I am substituting plus 1. F of 1 is equals to 1 square, that is nothing but 1. I am substituting f of minus 1, that is nothing but minus 1 whole square, which is nothing but plus 1 again. When we substituted plus 1, we got answer plus 1. When we substituted minus 1 also, we got the answer plus 1. So for both the elements 1 and minus 1, we will be having same image 1. So this is not 1. Next, let us check whether it is onto or not. Onto, otherwise surjection. To become a surjection, codomain as well as range both should be same. Now in this question, what is the codomain? Codomain is real numbers. Codomain is real numbers. Then what about the range? Here x square is there. So x square means whatever the number, whatever the real number you substitute in the place of x, always the answer will be 0, otherwise positive numbers only. So 0, otherwise positive numbers. If we observe the codomain, it is complete real numbers. It means negatives also will come. It means root 2 to root 3, like that also it will come. Whereas in the range, we have only 0 and positive numbers only. So codomain and range both are completely different to each other. So that's why this is not onto also. It is not 1 function. It is not onto function. Though definitely it is not a bijection. Next, let us move to the bit number 3. Bit number 3 is given as g a function 1, 1, 2, 3, 3, 5, 4, 7 is g equal to 1, 1, 2, 3, 3, 5, 4, 7 a function from A to B. Set A is given as 1, 2, 3, 4 and set B is given as 1, 3, 5, 7. So the first question he is asking, is G a function or not? So function is nothing but every element from the set A should have some connection. 1 is there, 1 is there, 2 is there, 2 is there, 3 is there, 3 is there, 4 is there, 4 is there. Of course, it has connection. Every element of set A should has unique image. Of course, it is like that only. So we can conclude that yes, G is a function from A to B. Then he gave something else now again. That if this is given by the formula g of x is equals to ax plus b, then find the values of a as well as b. So g of x is equals to ax plus b, right? Now in the set A we have 1, 2, 3, 4. I will substitute one by one number. G of 1 is equals to a into 1 plus b, a into 1 a plus b. Let's substitute 2. G of 2 is equals to a into 2 plus b, a into 2 2a plus b. These two are enough, but let us do more also. Let us complete everything. G of 3 is equals to a into 3 plus b, that is nothing but 3a plus b. Substituting 4, G of 4 is equals to a into 4 plus b, that is nothing but 4a plus b. Now if we observe this clearly, when we substituted 1, we got the answer 1 only. So here I substituted 1, then answer will be 1. When we substituted 2, we got the answer 3. So here I substituted 2, then our answer will be 3. When we substituted 3, our answer is 5. So I substituted 3 here, my answer will be 5. Here I substituted 4, then our answer will be 7. So here last one will be equal to 7. Now out of all these 4, take any two equations of your wish. I am going to go with the easy equations only, that is first one and second one. So first one we have a plus b is equals to 1, and second equation we have 2a plus b is equals to 3. Both the equations I will do subtraction. So that plus 2a will become minus, plus b will become minus, plus 3 will become minus. A minus 2a minus a plus b minus b cancel. 1 minus 3 minus 2. Minus minus will get cancelled. So we remains with a is equals to 2. So the a value is plus 2. Now this a value you substitute in the first equation or else second equation or third equation or fourth equation, you will get the b value. I am taking the first equation, that is a plus b equals to 1. In the place of a I am going to substitute 2. So 2 plus b is equals to 1. We want b value, so take 2 to the right side. B is equals to 1 minus 2, then b is equals to minus 1. So a value we got as plus 2 and b value we got as minus 1. Okay, now let us move to the bit number 4. F is a function from R to R, and the function is defined by f of x is equals to 3 power x plus 3 power minus x divided by 2. Then he is asking to show that f of x plus y plus f of x minus y is equals to 2 times f of x into f of y. F of x plus y is nothing but wherever we have x, we need to substitute x plus y. F of x minus y is nothing but wherever we have x, in that place of x, we need to substitute x minus y. Let us substitute now. F of x plus y is there. Sorry, no need of f of again. 3 times in the place of x plus y plus 3 power in the place of minus as it is in the place of x plus y divided by 2 plus now f of x minus y is there, so 3 power x minus y plus 3 power minus of x minus y divided by 2. Now here both the denominators are same, so we can add the numerators. That will become 3 power x plus y plus 3 power minus x minus y plus 3 power x minus y plus 3 power minus x plus y whole divided by 2. Now I will separate the terms individually. 3 power x plus y can be written as 3 power x into 3 power y plus 3 power minus x minus y can be written as 3 power minus x into 3 power minus y plus 3 power x minus y can be written as 3 power x into 3 power minus y plus 3 power minus x plus y can be written as 3 power minus x into 3 power y whole divided by 2. Now let us check from the numerator, from any terms can we take common. Here 3 power x is there, here also 3 power x is there, so I will take out 3 power x common. Then we remains with 3 power y plus 3 power minus y. Again from this second term and fourth term also we can take out 3 power minus x common. So we remains with 3 power y plus 3 power minus y whole divided by 2. In the brackets we have 3 power y plus 3 power minus y. So let us take it out common. 3 power y plus 3 power minus y into 3 power x plus 3 power minus x whole divided by 2. Now what I will do, I am going to multiply and divide this by 2 again into 2 by 2. So now if you observe the question clearly, 3 power x plus 3 power minus x by 2 is nothing but f of x. 3 power y plus 3 power minus y by 2 is nothing but f of y. This number 2 as it is. So this we can simplify it as 2 times f of x times f of y. 2 into f of x into f of y. Okay, next let us move to the question number 5. In the question number 5, f is a function from R to R and that function is defined as 4 power x divided by 4 power x plus 2. Then he is asking to show that f of 1 minus x is equals to 1 minus f of x. He is asking to show that f of 1 minus x is equals to 1 minus f of x. Okay, now let us take this LHS, that is f of 1 minus x. So wherever we have x, we need to substitute 1 minus x. 4 power 1 minus x divided by 4 power 1 minus x plus 2, which is equals to 4 power 1 minus x is nothing but 4 power 1 by 4 power x whole divided by again 4 power 1 minus x is nothing but 4 power 1 by 4 power x plus 2. Numerator I will write as it is, that is 4 power 1 by 4 power x divided by 4 power 1 plus 2 into 4 power x whole by 4 power x. Here 4 power x both will get cancelled, so we remains with 4 power 1 divided by 4 power 1 plus 2 into 4 power x. 4 power 1 is nothing but just 4 only. So now in the numerator as well as in the denominator we can take out 2 common. So 2 into 2 by, if we take out 2 common in the denominator, we remains with 2 plus 4 power x. Now from the numerator as well as denominator we can cancel 2. So then we remains with 2 divided by 2 plus 4 power x. Now in the numerator I will add and subtract 4 power x. 2 plus 4 power x minus 4 power x divided by 2 plus 4 power x. Now I will separate the terms. 2 plus 4 power x by 2 plus 4 power x minus 4 power x divided by 2 plus 4 power x. This 2 will get cancelled, so we remains with 1 minus. This is given in the question only. 4 power x by 2 plus 4 power x is nothing but f of x. Hence proved. Then by using this concept, he is asking to find the value of something. That is, what is the value of f of 1 by 4 plus 2 times f of 1 by 2 plus f of 3 by 4. In the question clearly it is mentioned that f of 1 minus x is equals to 1 minus f of x. This minus f of x I will take to the left side, then we will get f of 1 minus f of 1 minus x plus f of x is equals to 1. Now first, in the place of x, I will substitute 1 by 4. F of 1 minus 1 by 4 plus f of 1 by 4 is equals to 1. F of 4 ones are 4 minus 1, 3 by 4 plus f of 1 by 4 is equals to 1. This is equation number 1. F of 3 by 4 plus f of 1 by 4 is 1. Next, in the place of x, I will substitute 1 by 2. So we get f of 1 minus 1 by 2 plus f of 1 by 2 is equals to 1. F of 1 minus 1 by 2, 1 by 2 plus f of 1 by 2 is equals to 1. F of 1 by 2 plus f of 1 by 2 is nothing but 2 times f of 1 by 2, that is equals to 1. This is equation number 2. So first equation as well as second equation I am going to add. F of 3 by 4 plus f of 1 by 4. F of 3 by 4 plus f of 1 by 4 plus 2 times f of 1 by 2 is equals to, here right side 1 is there, here also 1 is there. So 1 plus 1, that is nothing but 2. So the value of f of 1 by 4 plus 2 times f of 1 by 2 plus f of 3 by 4 is equals to 2. Next, let us move to the bit number 6. Sixth one is very easy. F is a function from minus 1 comma 1 to 0 comma 2, and this function is defined as f of x is equals to ax plus b. F of x is equals to ax plus b, and it is a surjection. Then find the values of a as well as b. So first I will substitute minus 1, that is f of minus 1 is equals to a into minus 1 plus b. A into minus 1 minus a plus b. Here when we substituted minus 1 we got answer 0. So minus a plus b is equals to 0. This is equation number 1. Next I will substitute plus 1. F of 1 is equals to a into 1 plus b. A into 1 a plus b. That answer is, when we substituted plus 1 we got answer 2. So a plus b is equals to 2, and this is equation number 2. If we solve these two equations, that is minus a plus b is equals to 0, a plus b is equals to 2. I'm going to add these two equations so that minus a plus a will get cancelled. B plus b, 2b is equals to 0 plus 2, 2. Then b, if we take to the right side, then we will get b value as 1. If we substitute this b value in any one of the equations, then we will get the a value that as 1. So a value we got as 1 and b value also we got as 1. Now I will get one doubt. Let us clarify that once. For example, in the set A, we have elements minus 1 comma 1 and one more set A is there. In that we have elements 1 comma minus 1. Are these two sets equal to each other? Obviously these two are equal to each other because the same element is there. Here minus 1 is there, here also minus 1 is there, here plus 1 is there, here also plus 1 is there. Of course maybe the order is different. We need not to worry about the order in the sets. But in almost every question as well as in every solution, we will make sure one thing, that is always the set elements should be in the ascending order. So that's why we will prefer this method only, that is minus 1 comma 1. Of course this is also correct only, I am not saying that this is wrong, but the thing is that we will prefer to the first one, that is writing it as minus 1 comma 1. Now let us come to the question. In the question he said that it is minus 1 comma 1. So minus 1 comma 1, it means it may be 1 comma minus 1 also, like this. It may be 1 comma minus 1 also. So the situation case 2 now. F is a function from 1 comma minus 1 to 0 comma 2 as usual now. Just I am changing the domain now. In the domain actually we have minus 1 comma 1. Minus 1 comma 1 is the same as 1 comma minus 1. So that's why I am changing the, alternating the elements and I am writing it in again. The function is defined as f of x is equals to ax plus b. Let us substitute one by one element. A of, in the place of x, 1 plus b. A into 1, a plus b, that is equals to, first answer 0. So a plus b is equals to 0. This is the first equation. Next, substituting minus 1. F of minus 1 is equals to a into minus 1 plus b. A into minus 1 minus a plus b. Now when we substitute the second number, the answer is 2. So this is equals to 2 and this is equation number 2. Let us check these two equations once. A plus b is equals to 0 and minus a plus b is equals to 2. I am going to add these two equations, so that minus a plus a will get cancelled, b plus b 2b, which is equals to 2. Then b if we take another side, 2 if we take another side, then b equals to 1. This b value we need to substitute in any one of the equations. I am substituting in the first equation. Then a value we will get it as minus 1. A value minus 1 and b value plus 1. Whereas in the first case we got a value as well as b value both as 1 only. Whereas in this case we are getting a value as minus 1 and b value as plus 1. Now let us check the last problem in this exercise 1 of a. If f of x is equals to cos of log x, then show that f of 1 by x into f of 1 by y minus half into f of x by y plus f of xy is equals to 0. I'll reduce the pencil size so that we can able to write it in a single line only completely, because the question is little bigger, right? So that's why it will occupy more space. Okay, now f of 1 by x is there, so it will become cos of log 1 by x. f of 1 by y is there, it will become cos of log 1 by y minus half into f of x by y is there, then it will become cos of log x by y plus f of xy is there, then it will become cos of log xy. Okay, now if you observe still, cos of log 1 by x is nothing but x power minus 1. Cos of log 1 by y, log 1 by y is nothing but y power minus 1 minus half into cos of log x by y is nothing but log x minus log y plus cos of log xy, that is nothing but cos of log x plus log y. This minus will go to the front side and this minus also will go to the front side. Minus into minus, it will become plus. So no problem with us. Then we can write this as cos of log x into cos of log y minus half into cos of log, half into, here cos of log x minus log y is there, cos of log x minus log y. Cos of log x minus log y is in the form of cos of a minus b. Cos of a minus b is nothing but cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. So cos a, I'll go with the black again. Cos a, that is cos log x, cos b cos log y plus sin a sin b, that is sin log x sin log y plus cos of log x plus log y, this is in the form of cos of a plus b. So that will become cos a cos b cos log x cos log y minus sin a sin b sin log x sin log y. If we check if any cancellation is possible, means let us check that once. Minus sin log x sin log y plus sin log x sin log y minus sin log x sin log y, both will get cancelled. So we remains with cos of log x cos of log y minus half into cos log x log y cos of log x cos of log y, that is nothing but 2 times cos of log x cos of log y. Here 2 will get cancelled, then we remains with cos of log x into cos of log y minus cos of log x into cos of log y. Cos of log x into cos of log y minus cos of log x into cos of log y, everything will get cancelled. So we remains with the answer 0. Hence proved. Till now, if you didn't subscribe to my channel, subscribe for more videos. Thank you.